remember in Tampa, we had a roaster.
A roaster? No. What did we roast?
We roasted some bananas to make banana chips.
Oh, you mean a dehydrator? Yeah, I remember. What did we dehydrate?
Bananas to make banana chips.
And what do you want to dehydrate now?
Onions to eat onion chips.
Onion chips?
Yeah, they're hot fries.
Oh, yeah, because they're spicy.
Hot fries are spicy?
Yeah. You've never had real hot fries.
Real ones are spicy.
They sure are.
Governments are in the house. What was the woman saying?
She says that the children can't watch that TV show, so she's going to block it.
What TV show?
It's for adults. It's a fake one.